Welcome to Islamic Web, where we share inspiring stories, teachings, and lessons from the beauty of Islam.
Have you ever wondered, what was Arabia like before Islam? What did people believe in? What gods did they worship? And how did their faith shape their lives? Stay with me till the end, because what you'll discover will shock you and inspire you. Arabia was not united. It was divided. Every tribe had its own gods, its own customs, its own way of life. It was a land filled with confusion, darkness, and broken beliefs. The majority of Arabs were idol worshippers. They carved gods out of stone, out of wood, even out of dates. Yes, can you imagine? They made a god from dates, and when hunger struck, they ate it. The most shocking part: inside the Kaaba, the sacred house built by Prophet Ibrahim for Allah alone, they placed more than 360 idols. Each idol had a name, a tribe that worshipped it, and a false story to justify it. But not all Arabs bowed to idols. Some tribes had embraced Judaism. They read the Torah, they followed its laws, and they waited eagerly for the final prophet to come. Others turned to Christianity, following the message of Prophet Isa, Jesus, may peace be upon him. But even here, their beliefs were divided. Some believed in the Trinity, others argued endlessly about who Isa, alayhi salam, really was. In the east of Arabia, another religion appeared. The Zoroastrians, fire worshippers. They built fire temples, keeping flames burning day and night, believing fire to be sacred, a symbol of good and evil struggling forever. But among this ocean of confusion, there were a few noble souls called Hanifs. They rejected idols, they rejected falsehood, and they searched for only one truth: the pure worship of Allah, the path of Prophet Ibrahim, alayhi salam. They were neither Jews, nor Christians, nor idol worshippers. They stood alone, but they stood firm. So Arabia was drowning in confusion, in darkness, in division. Idol worshippers, Jews, Christians, Zoroastrians, Hanifs, all living side by side, all searching for meaning. The world was waiting, and soon, the final prophet would come, bringing Islam, the light that would change history forever. Now you know the truth about Arabia before Islam. Would you like me to take you step by step into the rise of Islam and how it transformed this broken land into a beacon of light? Then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because this journey has only just begun.
If you found this video meaningful, please like, share, and subscribe, so that more hearts can be inspired with wisdom and reminders.